never looked this good in years, pal. This is a really, really nice thing. You just don't push a button and do a class reunion. It takes a lot of time, a lot of effort, a lot of thought. And we all owe a round of thanks to Amy. Yeah! And I'll turn this over to Douglas.
Well, and just a little something to show our appreciation for Amy, and we really do appreciate it, and we love you for it, Amy, and everything that you've always done for the years. And this, I mean, these gatherings wouldn't happen without your energy. At least, you know, they wouldn't come off as well if they do. And I think you've really outdone yourself, especially this time. I mean, just look at all the people that showed up here. It is a pretty awesome thing that, you know, 50 years after we graduated, you know, people are able to come together and travel and be here from miles away.
This will be the last one we ever have.
No, it won't.
Cindy's going to be in charge.
No, that's bullshit. No, but someone will come up and step up to the plate because you've got so much information for all of us.
That's right. You want to download.
More than you want to know.
So, I just want to say, to show our, just a small token of our appreciation, this is just a little engraved base from the entire class of 1969.
Doug and I were talking, Doug was talking to me, I was talking to Doug, and we decided we could not let this night go by without truly thanking Amy, because Amy's like the mom of the class. I think she's the grandmom of the class. Me. But I mean, by that I mean, Amy really, very intentionally, for a long time, through Facebook, through gatherings every year, really makes an effort to make sure we all feel welcome. And I've noticed that it's a very, very intentional act on Amy's part. And I really, really appreciate it. So, in addition to these lovely red roses and the vase, we have here a poster. This is Amy's senior picture, blown up. It's about the size of the actual yearbook itself. And it says, Amy Higbee, most likely to lovingly coordinate our 50th reunion in September of 2019. I have new pens that I bought at Michael's today. One of them is green. I didn't want to get a gold pen because it wouldn't work. But I have pens. I'm going to put this somewhere. And this is a lot of white space here for everyone to sign it. And I have a frame in my car, which then this can be framed. But everybody here should not leave tonight until they sign, say thanks to Amy, whatever you want to say to Amy. I'm going to put it over here. And I imagine Amy's going to want to say something and thank people herself.
Well, I'm not much of a speaker in that I was a court reporter for 46 years and had to be quiet unless I told the lawyers, slow down, I'm leaving if you don't. Anyway, I had lots of other help besides what I've done on Facebook, trying to coordinate lunches and cocktail hours just to make everybody feel...
Those will continue.
Yes, they will. But I'd like to thank all of you for coming. That's the main thing. Some have come so far, and a lot of your time and effort, and we really appreciate that. And I'd like to thank Kathy Kabansky, Martha Nassett, Lawson, the decorations, and Linda Hammond and her husband Gary, and Pam Ott, and just many more that I'm probably going blank on because I didn't know I was going to be speaking. But anyway, just thank you all for coming and thanks so much for your kindness. Oh, yes, thank you. Gail Kramer's cookies that let you know they freeze well, so if you want to just take bits at a time, rather than me going for 6 at a time, it saves a few calories. So thank you all so much for the lovely gift, and this is really special, you guys. Thank you so much.
Love you, Amy.
Thank you. Love you guys.